All right, we're at DU at this is the Chambers Center. It's built in 2004. Real quickly, before we look at the elevator, look at that. Bunch of paper birds, I think those are cranes. Interesting. Got an Otis here. Basic 211. There's the basement. It's creepy down here. Broken painting. What the hell? Do not enter. Security alarm will sound. I'm not going to, but weird. Where is that? Huh, strange. Out here. Same deal as the wrist. Back down to 1. Looks like they replaced the B button. Did they? Yeah, they did. That's a stoplight. There's a picture of the building. Very strange looking building this is. Anyway, that's all.